Explore the future of personal transportation with these groundbreaking innovations. From flying cars like the Alef Model A and Jetson ONE to amphibious bikes like the Gibbs Biski, this video covers the latest tech redefining mobility. Whether it's land, air, or water, these personal transport solutions promise to make travel more exciting and efficient. Don't miss out. Watch now to see what the future holds. Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle. The Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle is revolutionizing eco-friendly transportation. Its unique design and cutting-edge technology make it a standout option. This vehicle primarily runs on solar energy, allowing it to travel up to 40 miles a day without needing an external charge. Perfect for daily commutes or short trips, it significantly reduces your carbon footprint. The Aptera's ultra-lightweight body and aerodynamic shape give it an impressive range of up to 1,000 miles on a full charge. That means you can travel long distances without the fear of running out of power. With a top speed of 110 miles per hour and rapid acceleration, the Aptera delivers an exciting driving experience. Inside, you'll find a spacious, high-tech interior designed for comfort, ensuring a pleasant ride for both the driver and passengers. Starting at an affordable price, the Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle offers a blend of sustainability, performance, and comfort. It's not just about going green, but also enjoying the ride. One-Wheel GTS Series, the ultimate electric skateboard. The One-Wheel GTS Series by Future Motion is a top-tier electric skateboard designed for both fun and practicality. Equipped with a powerful 113-volt drivetrain, it delivers 50% more voltage and torque than its predecessors. With speeds up to 25 miles per hour and a range of 16 to 25 miles, it's perfect for commuting or cruising. The board features a custom treaded tire for better grip, low-profile footpads for improved control, and smart LED lights that adjust based on your direction. Lighter and more efficient, it runs on a high-performance motor with premium NSK bearings from Japan. Priced at $3,200, it's compatible with various GT accessories, and you can easily customize your ride through the One-Wheel app. This board blends cutting-edge design and innovation, making it the perfect choice for riders who want both performance and style. SubSonex Personal Jet. Now's the time to fly. SubSonex Aircraft, a U.S. company, is inviting aviation fans to check out their sleek personal jet, the SubSonex. Specializing in aircraft assembly kits, SubSonex offers the SubSonex for around $137,000. While it's a big investment, you get a lot of bang for your buck. This jet cruises at an impressive 386 kilometers per hour and can travel up to 660 kilometers on a single flight. Plus, it's built for fun. The SubSonex is designed for aerobatic performance, handling G-forces from -3 to +6, making it a thrill for anyone who loves flying. Whether you're an experienced pilot or someone who's passionate about aviation, this little jet offers an exciting way to take to the skies. Now is the perfect time to consider owning your very own personal jet. Jetson ONE. Experience the future of flying. The Jetson ONE is a groundbreaking electric aerial vehicle that makes flying easy, no pilot's license required. Picture yourself gliding through the sky, powered by 8 strong motors and propellers that ensure smooth, stable control. Its smart flight computer is super intuitive, meaning anyone can quickly get the hang of flying. Designed with safety in mind, the Jetson ONE has a race car-inspired frame and an automatic landing feature, so you always feel secure. Plus, if one motor stops working, no worries, the Jetson ONE can keep flying just fine. It's a thrilling, one-of-a-kind way to experience the freedom of flight, bringing the future of personal aviation right to your fingertips. CopterPack. The future of personal transportation. Meet the CopterPack, a groundbreaking device that blends the power of a drone with the convenience of a backpack. Picture this. You hike, bike, or walk to your spot, then easily launch into the sky with a simple switch. Thanks to its compact build, easy controls, and smart flying tech, the CopterPack is ideal for adventurers, daily commuters, and first responders. From exploring remote trails and zipping through crowded cities to racing to emergencies, the CopterPack offers a thrilling, dependable ride. It's not just functional, its sleek look makes it a real showstopper. Step into the future of personal transport and elevate your journey with the CopterPack. Alef Model A flying car, the future of commuting. The Alef Model A is a game-changer in transportation. This all-electric flying car drives on roads and can take off vertically, making traffic jams a thing of the past and travel much faster. It can fly for about 10 miles and drive nearly twice that distance. The Model A is equipped with cutting-edge stabilization technology, electric propulsion, and smart flight controls to ensure a smooth experience. It's designed with safety in mind, no exposed propellers and all-wheel drive. At around $300,000, it's the first flying car approved by the Federal Aviation Authority for use in the U.S. Its innovative design allows it to rotate sideways in the air with 8 rotating blades, meaning it's small enough to fit in your driveway while still being able to fly. The future of commuting has arrived with the Alef model. TMC Dumont, a revolutionary concept motorcycle. The TMC Dumont is an eye-catching concept motorcycle crafted by Tarso Marques, a former Formula One driver from Brazil. This bike is truly one of a kind, featuring hubless wheels and an exposed engine that give it a striking, aircraft-inspired appearance. What really sets the Dumont apart is its impressive 300-horsepower Rolls-Royce aircraft engine. This isn't just a motorcycle that looks cool, it's designed for top-notch performance. The sleek, low-slung body of the Dumont ensures it will turn heads wherever it rides. But the TMC Dumont isn't just another motorcycle, it's a bold fusion of innovative design and cutting-edge engineering. It represents the exciting future of two-wheel transportation, blending aesthetics with high performance. Whether you're a dedicated motorcycle enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates groundbreaking design, the Dumont stands as a testament to creativity and ambition in the world of motorcycles. Gibbs Bisy, the motorcycle that transforms into a jet ski. Imagine riding a motorcycle that can transform into a jet ski in seconds. Meet the Gibbs Bisy, a groundbreaking vehicle that combines the thrill of both land and water travel. It's the world's first of its kind, offering the freedom to cruise highways, explore coastlines, or hit the waves, all with a single vehicle. The Bisy is powered by a 2-cylinder petrol engine that delivers 55 horsepower, both on land and water. On the road, it can reach speeds up to 80 miles per hour, while on the water, it cruises at a solid 37 miles per hour. The transition between land and water is seamless, thanks to its automatic coilover spring suspension. When you enter the water, the suspension retracts, allowing you to glide smoothly. For water navigation, the Bisy is equipped with a dual-jet propulsion system, ensuring stability and maneuverability. Whether you're weaving through traffic or riding waves, control is at your fingertips. The vehicle also comes with hydraulic disc brakes and handlebar steering for easy handling. To make the experience even more practical, the Bisy features both road and marine navigation lights. Whether you're riding at night on the highway or navigating in low light on the water, you're covered. Though the Bisy is not yet available for sale, it's expected to come with a hefty price tag of around $330,000. It's the ultimate amphibious motorcycle for those seeking adventure on both land and sea. Eon Scooter Pro. The Eon Scooter Pro combines affordability with high-end design. It's a standout in electric transportation. With its futuristic look, this scooter enhances city life. Thanks to its sturdy build and sine wave controllers, it accelerates smoothly. It stays stable, even at high speeds, due to the zero-wobble stem. The red LED lights on the deck improve visibility for riders. For those seeking speed, the Blade X Pro model can reach an impressive 45 miles per hour. The tall stem and broad handlebars offer better control and comfort, especially for taller riders. The scooter's sleek design features black silicone buttons, enhancing usability. The flashing turn signal indicates that safety is a top priority. However, there are a few points to consider. Tevran Tetra. Introducing the Tevran Tetra, a groundbreaking electric ATV that combines high performance with cutting-edge technology. Priced at $5,299, this electric scooter delivers an exciting ride experience. Powered by dual 1,500-watt motors, the Tetra reaches a peak power of 5,000 watts. This gives you an exhilarating top speed of 55 km per hour, it perfect for thrill seekers. It's equipped with a 60-volt, 60-amp-hour battery that can cover an impressive range of up to 200 kilometers on a single charge. The Tetra is designed for all types of terrain. It features spring suspension and 13-inch road tires, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Whether you're on the street or off-road, the ride quality is unmatched. Safety is a top priority with this ATV. It comes with 4 hydraulic disc brakes for precise stopping power. The high-quality battery cells, sourced from Blade and SK Innovation, offer reliable safety and durability, so you can ride with confidence. RYSE Recon, the future of ultralight flight. The RYSE Recon is an impressive US-made ultralight electric vehicle. Designed for agricultural and rural use, it offers vertical takeoff and landing, making it ideal for areas where traditional vehicles may struggle. This single-seat aircraft can reach speeds of up to 63 miles per hour, with a range of 25 miles per charge. It's powered by 6 40-volt electric motors and 100-volt direct current batteries. One of the standout features of the Recon is its simplicity. It's controlled with a joystick, so you don't need a pilot's license to operate it. The vehicle is built on a sturdy aluminum frame, though future versions will be made with lightweight carbon fiber. It complies with FAA's Part 103 ultralight category, which limits the weight to 254 pounds and restricts flights over populated areas. In terms of safety, the Recon is designed to protect the pilot. It offers crash protection of up to 8 gigaseconds and has several safety redundancies. During a test flight, the Recon hovered 10 feet above the ground, smoothly responding to altitude, speed, and directional commands. Begode Master Pro, the ultimate electric unicycle. The Begode Master Pro, priced at $3,500, is a top-tier electric unicycle designed for serious riders. It combines power with impressive range. You can choose between 2 battery options. The 3,600 watt-hour battery offers a range of 65 to 85 miles. The 4,800 watt-hour battery extends that range to 95 to 120 miles. Weighing between 104 pounds and 118 pounds, the Master Pro is built for performance. It features a powerful 4,500 watt motor that can peak at 10,000 watts. This motor delivers a top speed of over 55 miles per hour. The 22-inch tire ensures stability and control on all types of terrain. Safety is a priority with a warning system, alarms, and configurable tilt back, all controlled via an app. Other practical features include a retractable trolley handle with an anti-spin lift button. It also comes with bright quad Nikola-style LED headlights and a rear taillight for visibility. Although it doesn't support Bluetooth music, the integrated beeper effectively handles system sounds and alarms. For riders seeking high performance and long range, the Begode Master Pro is a top choice. Honda Moto Compacto. The Honda Moto Compacto is a modern twist on the classic 1980s Moto Compo. This sleek electric scooter is designed to tackle urban transportation challenges with ease, making it perfect for short commutes and last-mile travel. Its ultra-compact, foldable design allows you to carry and store it effortlessly. When unfolded, the Moto Compacto provides a smooth, zero-emission ride with a range of up to 12 miles. It can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, making it practical and fun for city adventures. One of its best features is the compact charger, which conveniently fits on board, so you're always ready to recharge. And with a price tag of just $995, it's an affordable way to embrace eco-friendly travel. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or simply exploring the city, the Honda Moto Compacto makes urban mobility easier, greener, and more enjoyable. Blizwheel electric roller skates. The Blizwheel electric roller skates are a game-changing innovation, designed for both urban commuting and fun. These foldable, ultra-portable skates offer a futuristic way to move through the city with ease. Each skate weighs just around 7 pounds, making them lightweight and easy to carry when not in use. With their sleek design, you can simply fold them up and store them conveniently. Powered by an electric motor, these skates can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, 24 km per hour, and offer a range of about 15 miles, 24 kilometers per charge, depending on the model. The built-in battery charges via a standard outlet and also features regenerative braking, enhancing efficiency. Blizwheel skates are controlled with a handheld remote, giving you full control over acceleration and braking. This makes riding easy and intuitive. Safety is a key focus. The skates come with non-slip footplates and are built with strong, durable materials to ensure a safe ride every time. RidRoid CanguRo. Introducing the RidRoid CanguRo, a marvel of modern robotics and AI technology. This intelligent robot can transform and be ridden, much like a mechanical horse. Developed by the Future Robotics Technology Center at Chiba Institute of Technology and designer Shanji Amanaka, the CanguRo is designed to be a partner robot that never leaves its master's side. When it's time to travel, CanguRo automatically transforms into ride mode. In this mode, it supports its master as an integral part of their body. As the rider leans to the right or left, CanguRo actively adjusts its body, making turning effortless. It's like having a personal vehicle that moves in harmony with you. This innovative machine is a testament to the fusion of cutting-edge robotics and AI technology. It paves the way for a new relationship between people and their vehicles, offering a unique blend of companionship and mobility.